Hello, kids. Today we're going to learn a very special letter. It's the very first letter in the alphabet.
Can you guess what it is? That's right.
It's the letter A. A is for apple, tasty and red. A is for ant, marching ahead. A says I like in apple pie. A says a like in play in the skies.
Let's say it together.
I. Can you draw it in the air with your finger? Up, down, across. That's how we make a cap at A.
A is for alligator, big and green. A is for astronaut, flying in a dream. A is amazing, the start of our day.
Let's clap for A. Hip, hip, hooray! Great job, friends! Now we know the letter A, the first